Have you ever wondered how your favorite YouTuber and friends got those great aerial shots on their recent trip? Well, fear not. Today we're going to do something different and we're going to give you a product review many of you have asked for. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And as you see, we're doing something different today. I know a lot of people have been asking about this, and mind the sound quality. We're outside, it's a little windy, it's actually kind of bright, so I guess that's a good thing why I don't have all this great lighting. I kind of look a little old in the video, but I'm actually young, so don't believe it, don't believe the hype. But anyhow, so today we're doing a review of the Skydio drone that we purchased late last year. It was like a Christmas gift for myself, but we're doing the Skydio 2 review, and I hope you like it. So it's a little different, but I'll proceed to show you the rest of this Skydio. Without further ado, I introduce you to Diggy. Diggy will be doing the stowage and setup of the Skydio drone. You have anything you want to tell them right off the bat, Diggy?
So I'm pretty sure he mentioned there will be an update where you can actually go up to 1,500 feet. So we're gonna try that right now during the review. Ladybug. There you go.
No, that doesn't go in that spot. It goes in that spot.
Oh yeah. By the way, the controller also does need to charge.
Yeah, so the controller charges as well as the beacon here. These all need to be charged. So the beacon can be used actually as a secondary source towards using the controller. I do like using the beacon as well as using the controller at the same time, just having that backup. And like I said, this one also has its own Wi-Fi code, so I'm not going to show that up close and everything. But once you get everything set up, as you can see here, setting this up, and then once the lights come on and it all connects up with the app, we'll go from there.
The Skydio actually has an app. You can I think you can fly through your phone instead of using this, but you can also use this too.
All right, so we're going to skip for a second as we get set up. All right, everyone, so we're about to start our not really our first flight, but our first flight during this review. So I hope you enjoy it. But as I said before, the person who flies is not me. It's actually him. So as you can see here, he has his controller and everything set up. And we use like an old Galaxy phone that I got, but you can use iPhone. You can use pretty much any type of phone, recent phone that has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and every other thing. But yeah, and without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and take off. So as you can see here, we're getting ready to take off and everything, but you can probably hear a slight fan. That's the fan sound, literally like right there behind the camera, right by the USB port. So yeah, and go ahead, take off.
3, 2,
Hey everyone, so we took the review in the house, you know, Sunday football and everything in the afternoon. People got to be fed, people got to eat, so we had to cut the review a little short. But as you saw from a lot of the aerial footage, and we did get up to about 1,100 feet on one of the clips. I think I showed it early, at the end, but we did get up to about 1,100 feet, which is pretty high. I couldn't see it from the ground. It was definitely like a little black speck in the sky. But I did want to clear up some things that I had kind of said off the cuff. As you know, I kind of do my own little, I guess, what I think of what I remember. But Diggy did have some stuff for me, and I definitely didn't look at it. But now I'm looking at it on the computer, and I just wanted to let people know the actual some specifics, because, you know, as I said before, I did get my Skydio 2 at a reasonable offer. I paid for it out of my own pocket. I did not get any type of, hey, can you purchase this and do a review? Or, you know, this isn't sponsored. This is definitely something out of my own pocket that I wanted to get myself for Christmas. And this was Christmas 2020. So, you know, during that time when everybody was at home, kind of just stuck in doing their own thing anyways. But just so people know, according to the website, you do have a starter kit, which starts at $13.49, a sports kit at $17.99. Now, this is all US prices. So if you're out of the country, I'm not sure you can even purchase it. You maybe could. I think they have like a Canada page or whatever country you're in, but the website and the link will be down in the description below, so you can go there and check it out for yourself. But as I was saying, they also have the cinema package, which is similar to what we got. We got the cinema package, and in the cinema package was pretty much everything you saw that we had. You also had a pro package, which was top of the line, started at, according to here, $2,999. Now, yeah, a lot of coin, but with that coin, you get, you know, some things that other manufacturers just doesn't do. And like I said before, the only downside I can see from this right now is that you do not have the ability to fly at night. So that's the only downside I can see of it, is not being able to fly at night. But this is an action type camera, something you definitely want to take with you, and whenever you're out doing kind of sightseeing, or if you're riding bikes, or if you're ATV through a trail that doesn't have a dense forest line or something, or, you know, out playing soccer, any type of those activities, you can definitely use this camera for. But as I'm just scrolling through the website here, there's plenty of information on their website and how you can go about ordering one of these items. So I highly recommend it. As you can see in the background, it's currently charging, and there was a couple ways that you could have charged it. I did say the quick charge, and then we could charge it directly to the top of the drone itself. I think that does about it for this review. And I want to say once again, this is not sponsored. You know, like people say, you know, it's like some of the YouTubers, they have people that just send them stuff out, and that's great and all. Hey, if you got something you want me to review it, you want Diggy to review it, and you want to hear his input, by all means, get in touch with us. and we will review your product, especially if it's something that we actually use on a consistent basis. We would love to review it. I think especially with the season winding down and us not going out camping as much, the amount of reviews that we could possibly get in and push out to you guys as content, it's possible. But if, like I said before, if I'm not purchasing it, I'm not reviewing it. So stay tuned for that Blackstone review. I got the Blackstone review coming up. Some people also asked about upgrades to the RV that we did. I may be able to get out there, and as you know, I'm in the Northeast, or I guess the mid Northeast as people want to call it. So we don't get heavy snow, but it does get cold, and I'm a Florida guy. I guess that's it. So once again, please like, share, and subscribe. And those of you who are watching our videos, I appreciate it, but please subscribe. You know, get us the subscribers. We're trying to we just reached we just reached almost over 200 subscribers. So thank you all for subscribing. We want to get to 1,000. That way we can be creators just like a lot of other YouTubers, and bring you guys better content. And the more we keep making these and the more he keeps editing, it's just a learning experience for us all. So greatly appreciate all that you guys have done so far for us, and, you know, keep pushing us to give you guys more things that you want to see. So please, if you got anything else you want to say, drop it in the comments below, and we'll see you next time. Love.